today's 100 rep exercise is up down bird dog. So we have done bird dog before. This is a variation of bird dog that we've already done. I would highly recommend that you start this earlier in the day than later. If you leave it too late, it's going to become a very onerous exercise. So try to get in 10, maybe every hour or 20 or so. You're going to start from a plank, making sure the shoulders are over the wrists. There's that straight line from the shoulders to the ankles. And you're going to lift opposite arm in hand, or arm and foot rather. And then you're going to go down, again opposite. Try not to let the hips roll as you lift your arm and your leg. So low plank, right and then left, counts as a 1. Upper plank, lift, that's 2, 3. So right, left bird dog from upper plank counts as 1, then low plank, right, left counts as 2. That's your reps. To make it more challenging or less challenging, you can change the placement of your feet. So the wider your feet placement, the more stability you have. It's going to be a little easier to do the balancing through the bird dog. If you have your feet very narrow, it becomes much more challenging. So you choose the distance of that base of support. And you have 100 of them. Enjoy.
Are you a cat person or a dog person?